The video kicks off with a close-up of the sleek SnapBuild Pro box as the lid lifts, revealing color-coded modular boards and a magnetic tool rack. Each component is described in vivid detail, from the silk-screened labels to the snug snap joints and precision-engineered connectors, plus a smart AI-assisted guide that suggests build paths. The host demonstrates assembling a starter project, noting tactile feedback, airflow-friendly shells, and the responsive microcontroller that powers real-time tutorials, before sharing initial performance impressions and potential upgrade paths. A quick run-through of the included sensors, actuators, and expansion slots highlights versatility for projects like smart home sensors or wearable gadgets, with tips on organizing parts for future builds. The host wraps with an honest verdict, ideal for beginners who crave structure yet want room to improvise, and a recommendation to pair it with online community templates for endless experimentation.